Hey guys, welcome back. Got some parts in from our sponsor over at BigMikesMotorPool.com. Find his info in the description below this video. Let's see what he sent us. So I've got one box open already, but I haven't gone through it. Let's see, this is a full long style air pack rebuild kit. This is the spring to go around the air piston. This is lock tabs for the axle nuts. Okay. So, there's that. Piece of packing tape. And this is going to be a replacement air can. So you've probably seen this before. I did a video years ago going through an air pack. Usually on the long style air packs, the worst thing is when the inside of the air can corrodes and you can't get it up. And yes, that's exactly what this is. This is a new old stock replacement air can. No corrosion inside. It's a very nice piece. So if you have an old air pack that is not working, has not been serviced, chances are you're probably going to want to get a new air can from him. Just go ahead and get it before you even tear the thing down, because almost all of your old long style air packs are going to have corrosion in the air can. And they're not that expensive compared to a whole air pack anyway. Now this, I picked it up and it tore. I have not opened this yet. This is probably, if I had to guess, a gallon. Yep, it's a gallon of brake fluid. Packing peanuts. I don't think anything else is going to be in this box, but we'll see. I know if I just pull this up out of here, this shit's gonna go everywhere. Whatever. That's what a broom is for, right? Not too bad. Let's dump this and make sure there's no other little tidbits hiding in here. Nope. Just garbage can filler. Alright, so we got brake fluid. Need that when your service induces, especially dual circuit brake trucks. Really not worried about you seeing the address because I don't live here anymore. Alright. Here's an invoice that can go over there. We have drive shaft nuts and bolts. He's got these brand new in stock, so if you guys want to replace your drive shaft nuts and bolts from wear if they got loose, or if you just lost your bolts, like in the case of these trucks, when the drive shafts or when the transfer case is locked up on them, when I was bringing them home years ago, I pulled the drive shafts, and in the meantime, the past, I don't know, 5 or 8 years, the drive shaft bolts and nuts have gone missing, so I needed more. We have nice gold zippered boots. These are better quality boots than the ones with the silver colored zipper. They'll last longer. I got 3 of those because I still had one-piece boot in stock. Don't ask for more than you need, right? New wiper blades, 4 new wiper blades, because these these trucks badly need them. And we have full service kits. All of your fuel filters and air filters and everything are here. I've got 2 full service kits for both trucks. What is this? Oh, wheel cylinder rebuild kits. Okay, so if you have wheel cylinders that are leaking, and like the cups and all have gotten hard on them, but they're not corroded inside, you can just rebuild them. If I can get this out of the damn box. So this comes with a new spring, new inner cups, and new dust boots for the outside of the wheel cylinders. That's a good investment if your wheel cylinder's not all corroded up and it's salvageable. It's easier just to put new rubber and a spring in them, right? So this is a new wiper motor. Look at that, new in the plastic. This is one of the newer style plastic wiper motors, but they work just fine. So as I mentioned, these trucks are moving on along to the next owner, so I'm not too particular on like metal or plastic wiper motors or whatever. It needs to work. So if it was my truck, I'd be more particular, but it's not. So and there was no specific requests made. So these are more wheel cylinder rebuild kits. Yep, that's where you belong, right there on the floor. What's this? Elbow. I don't remember what I asked for with this. Oh, you know what this is? This right here is an air brake light switch, and this whole kit is the update kit to add an air brake light switch to a truck that has the old hydraulic brake light switch on it still. So when he sends you the switch, or in this case when he sent me the switch, he just sent the whole kit. Because one of these trucks has a broken brake light switch on it. So another air wiper motor. Now I know you were seeing Napa part numbers here, and what I will tell you is there is a difference between the ones you get from Big Mike and the ones you can go get from Napa yourself. The ones that Big Mike sells have the proper gaskets in them. The ones you get from Napa do not always have the right gaskets in them, and they will not seal. You'll replace the gaskets and you'll end up with replace the filter, and you'll end up with a giant leak that you'll never get to stop because they don't come with the right gasket. And this is an air filter, so I think it is anyway. What should be left in this box is just 2 service kits, minus 1 air filter because I didn't need one for one truck. It's already got one. So once again, don't ask for what you don't need. Yeah. Nice brand new air filter. I don't know if that's new old stock or let me see if there's no, I don't see an NSN on the box. It just says that, so I don't know. But good air filter anyway. So that's what we've got today. These are your oil filters, primary fuel filters, and secondary fuel filters. So, anyway, just wanted to show you guys that. All of this stuff he's got in stock pretty much all the time. So, you know where to get it if you need it. Don't risk getting the filters from Napa and having fuel sprayed all over your truck. It's not fun. It's really not fun having to do the same job over again with a mess around you because your gaskets didn't seal. So, appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.